Okay, so starting off, I'm going to just choose my color. I'm going to choose like a dark red. It's because like that's the theme that I'm going for. And then I'm going to choose my background, and my background is going to be cheetah print because that's also like the theme that I want to go for. And just press elements and then search elements and then search whatever you want. You don't even have to add extra stuff. You can, you don't have to. But yeah. And then you can press text and then add text. But I already have text already on here, so I'm just going to say you're invited to. And then just adjust the size and stuff to how I want it. And then the second text, I'm going to do hotel sleepover, which I would have said slumber party, but whatever. And then next, I'm going to add another text and add my name and the age I'm turning, and then blah blah blah. And the reason I'm doing this is because I want different things. I want my name to be just pop on the screen, basically. And let's just not focus on the fact that I'm literally watching Ginny and Georgia right now because, yeah, I've been binge watching it. So I'm just going to play around with my fonts and look for a cursive font because I want the fonts to basically be different. Okay, so after choosing my font, what I'm going to do is just
poetry is words. Very good.
Go to effects and then choose the effect I want, which is going to be neon. And then just adjust the intensity if I want to, and then make my text a little bit Okay, so then after that, what I'm going to do is choose my text on my flyer and just add some more stuff to them to make them a little more basic. And what I'm going to do is press effects again and then scroll down and do a curve. Here's me just playing around with the colors. I did not want it to be white, red, and cheetah print. I wanted it to be black, red, and cheetah print, but it didn't look right, so I just ended up choosing white anyways. With my cat. So just adjust your text and just align them to where you want. Then I'm just going to go to elements again and then look for frame and choose a random frame. I'm going to use the iPhone frame, and then I'm going to go to camera and then add my picture.
Tell me when you ready, baby. Timing is everything. Tell me when you ready, baby. Cause you know when it's so. Give me where, baby. You know I need it. Give me where, baby. I got wrinkles in my system and I'm trying not give a fuck. Cause I'ma love you tonight and hate you when I wake up. Girl, do you feel how I'm feeling, baby? Give me.
I'm not gonna end up using the Polaroid picture, but I was going to use it because I had the idea to use like my baby picture and put it in there, but literally did not know where I put my baby pictures in my phone. So after I had everything that I wanted and everything aligned where I wanted it to be, I'm going to go and press text again and then add a new text, and this will be just the details like the time, where it's at, when, stuff like that, dress code, blah blah blah.
some of your love. Come give me some of your love. Come give me some of your love. Cause it's on. Turn on the radio, baby. I'll turn you on. 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 Keep the bells ringing for you. It's a celebration for you. No, yeah. And I promised you a good time. Is it a good time? No, you keep it up. Can we wait? No, I need it. Can we wait?
Okay, so then after when I'm done, I'm just going to go to Elements again. And here you can literally just add whatever you want to add. You